Hey, it's Dad again with a new recipe for you. Today, we're gonna make barbacoa. And these are the ingredients. About 2.5 pounds of beef cheek meat, a beef tongue, beef bouillon, salt, pepper. And the secret ingredient, crock. So I'll give you a chance now to go out there and get all those ingredients. Okay, welcome back. We're gonna open up the meat. Next, we're gonna add about a teaspoon of salt and about a teaspoon of pepper. About a cup of hot water. I mixed the bouillon into some hot water. We're gonna put it on low overnight. Hey, good morning. All right, so the crock pot has been on all night long. It's been about 8 to 10 hours. We're gonna turn that off. Okay, I'm gonna remove the tongue carefully. And we're gonna set it aside, let that cool off a little bit. Okay, welcome back. It's been about 10-15 minutes and I let the tongue cool down a little bit. Now we're gonna get a sharp knife and we're gonna go to the top of the tongue where all the skin is, the tough skin, and we're gonna cut right through it. We're gonna cut it out. Be very careful and peel off that skin. See how you just peel it off? We can go ahead and start slicing it. We're gonna go ahead and put it back with the cheek meat. And we'll just go ahead and break up the meat in here. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and some pepper. And there you have it, barbacoa.